Yo guys, I'm here pumping my petrol. I just finished my petrol, and I tell you guys, this is one of the most stressful petrol pump I've ever encountered. Yeah, my escort, they escort me there. Yeah, this is the first time I see like so many all come and pump petrol at one go. Interesting, huh? Alamak. Heng I got no modification. If I got fucking modification, rabak lah sial. Ayah. Yep, one of the I guess you can say the most stressful petrol pump I ever encountered in my life. Thankfully I got out of there alive, man. I got out of there alive. Anyway, I also never do any modification, but scared what? Alamak. Alright, so start of the vlog. Finally I'm back again. It's nice to speak to you guys once again. How long has it been? Like since my last video. A lot of things have changed, and a lot of things have happened as well. So I thought, why not, since I'm gonna bring this baby out back to do the regular maintenance. It's been quite a while since I did the last maintenance, so it's about time already. About 2005, around there, I guess. 2005 kilometers in, so it's time to bring it for engine oil change, oil filter change, air filter. I guess previous owner told me it's washable, so serviceable, but AIROH from Primero actually recommend me to service the air filter once I do a spark plug change, but I don't think I need to do a spark plug change now. So we'll just wait for the next change, then I'll wash the air filter. And what else? Nothing much, just going there to take this bike for a spin, warm it up a bit, and then do their regular maintenance. And just at the same time, just to talk to you guys. Yeah, it's been quite a while since I last rode. I don't know why when I turned it on, I remember there was still like petrol in. There was about half, I think. I think I can still travel a bit more kilometers in, but then when I turned it on, the dash told me that it's on reserve already. That's why I was at the petrol station and that's where I meet so many friends there. Yep. How has it been going for you guys? A lot of things have happened. I think the major issue, major news that most of us going through now is that because Malaysia borders have opened and my Instagram feed, my Facebook feed, not so much of Facebook, Instagram feed, everyone has been posting their Malaysia trips. Oh my god. And I think I'm the last few of them who actually have not stepped into Malaysia yet. A lot of you are actually expecting me to go into Malaysia already, JB at least. pump petrol or something, but no, I haven't been in yet. Actually, honestly, I don't even know the procedure how to go in, so I seek some advice from my friends as well. So once I go in, I'll probably do a vlog for you guys. And I know a lot of them have already done their own vlogs like Farhan. I think Farhan went in, right? Farhan. And the news dropped from Farhan saying that he quit his job. Oh yo, quite a sudden event, I would say. But I mean, I'm happy for him. Like he some sort like feel relief, happy that he quit his job Now he's doing full-time YouTuber. Hey, come on, Farhan man, you are the legend. Hopefully you can lead a path for us to show us that you can become a successful full-time YouTuber. Motovlogger. I will fully support him though. But like what I commented on his video I feel that although quitting is a happy thing for him but I think it's still very important to have some sort of coverage from a full-time job So my opinions kind of opposed from him. I would really rather he have a full-time job like because for a full-time job, especially in the government sector, or let's say, don't say government only private also, you will have CPF benefits. You will get paid from your employers for CPF. You will have some medical benefits and stuff like that bonuses and stuff. So it's so much better to have a full-time job rather than you do your own like freelance kind of thing. Because medical, most important is medical it's not covered. So long since I do a corner, very long corner so I'm a bit scared. Take it slow, bro. Take it slow. Hey, I haven't rode the bike for so long with this bike for so long, and then the tires also like not warmed up, bro. You warm the tires before you do anything crazy. Come on, it's like raining, you know, a bit wet. Oh yeah, and I just got my wisdom tooth extracted. My bottom left wisdom tooth. It's been really torturing, I say. Like I always see people pluck their wisdom tooth like, wow, like so happy 1 week MC they really give you 1 week MC for that, but wow, it's really torturing I can't eat, can't bite, which is so sad, man. Wow, I really need to eat like all the junk food that all my favorite junk food. Well, I had to eat porridge at best I had to eat mee siam. And then like those very soft bee-hoon kind of, you know, that kind of mian xian they call it. Because I can use my tongue to melt it or some sort. Thankfully I can still do this vlog. I can still talk to you guys normally, can understand me because back then my cheeks were swollen, and then I had to bite down on this cotton and then wow, so hard communicating, you know, very hard to talk. Yeah, I'm back to normal, and I'm very glad to announce that I am officially a married man. Officially off the market. Usually off the market is like for ladies, right? Men, nah. We don't use that term for us, right? And yeah, it's so weird that I had to update my, see this guy, I had to update my marital status to married instead of the usual single. So yeah, it's really a very unique experience for those of you who are going to get married soon. Yeah, you are going to update your G50 form, your NS portal. You're going to update your I don't know, whatever applications you're going to apply. It's no longer single, guys. You're married. Yeah, but I haven't posted like anything about my marriage yet. I only post an Insta story just to update you guys on the things that I've been coping with that time. So busy, you know. Wow, very busy. I never sleep because we did our own. I did our own video lah. So the video, all this is done all by me. And but of course I had to discuss some of the contents with my wife. And yeah, didn't have enough sleep. But thankfully the event went smooth. Sadly, no convoy movement. Yeah, apologize to you guys. If I had the choice, of course definitely I will bring you guys in. I will definitely do a convoy movement, but nah, a lot of things will come into consideration. So yep, didn't had that in play. Hope you guys forgive me for that. We got exit here. So many things have happened also, like oh, come on. Like especially the recent samurai guy, the guy who wielded the samurai sword. Like wow, daring, but that guy got some mental issue, right? But I applaud to those guys, those fellas who were standing, who didn't run away from, like shun away from this guy. Like wow, then someone, that guy who blocked his swing until the sword broke. Like what? The sword broke. What kind of samurai sword is that? Like where did he get it from? Yep, applaud to those fellas for like sort of fighting back against this fella. And what else? So many things happen. And oh yeah, I finally managed to deliver all my clothes, all my merch out. Yeah, I apologize on the delay on some of the merch because of my wedding and and time to settle down and stuff because I had to count all the money, had to settle down. We had a staycay also so I didn't have the resources to manage the clothing right after the wedding, so it took some time. So I finally managed to deliver out the remaining clothing. Because I'm thankful for those who did self-collection. Because for self-collection, at least I get to see you guys, take photos with you guys. But I know for some of them, they didn't have the time Same thing I also didn't have the time also to actually meet everyone. Some of them they're also working, so they're busy so they actually I actually just got the smart tag to deliver the remaining clothing on. And smart tag the SingPost smart tag is actually quite a very easy process. You just have to write their address, your address, put in the items, and then boom, put inside the SingPost box. That's all. Then they straight away they will help you to deliver, and it's trackable as well. I don't know how to track Oh yeah, I haven't tried tracking the parcels, but because the most importantly is they reach your doorstep. But I haven't go and like try out how the tracking thing works. I should really try it later. Go and check out like how to do the tracking. So in future, I think I will let you guys for future merch release. I'll let you guys choose whether if you prefer self-collection or if you prefer home delivery. But of course, home delivery I have to charge you guys. For this time round, it's just a testing. So I will help you guys to pay off the delivery. It's alright, no problem. But for future ones, then I'll let you guys know. If you want home delivery, then I'll charge about $3 or $4 more. I'll calculate. I won't earn from the delivery. I'll just charge you accordingly. Because 10 pieces of smart tag is like about what, $32? So one smart pack is about $3 plus. So I think maybe I'll charge you guys $3 long for delivery. That's as the best as I can get. So I hope you guys like the merch, and I really don't know what's the next merch I should release. Whether should it be bike related, or should it be something else, something different, something fun, something funny. I don't know, man. Let me know what kind of merch you all want. I can try to design as best as I can. Not the best design, but yeah, it's, I mean, really done up by me. And I often like to design merch that is the merch that I would wear myself lah. I wouldn't design something that I wouldn't wear myself, right? That would be so weird. And oh yeah, I'm wearing my merch today as well. You just can't see it. You guys can't see it. It's alright, it's alright. Am I riding in the right direction? Just following GPS because I really cannot remember how to get to Primero. I always get lost. No effort. You will make no effort to remember the routes. It's been good to be back on the bike, riding again. Hey, but to be frank, haven't been riding like how many? 1 month, maybe about 1 month time. Getting back on the R1 feels very different. Like, I don't know, a bit scary. I don't know, like, you guys feel like, I don't know, for those R1 riders, I don't know whether or is it a sports bike thing. Like, after not riding for a while, then getting back on the sports bike feels very, I don't feel like, very scary the corner. I don't know, is it just me, my ball string? But like, wow, scary leh. Somehow I don't dare to corner like that leh. Or is it because it was raining, so the road was a bit wet? I don't know. I really don't know, man. No, I guess it's like scary because back then I experienced a fishtail experience on this R1. Wow, sial lah. Really got my balls flying. Like, wow. Because it was raining lah. It's always when it's raining, I swear. Then it's wet. So, you know, when you enter EPS, the gantry, car park gantry, you have to mount this hump usually. So when I mounted this hump, then I throttle lah, but I didn't throttle very hard leh. Honestly, I didn't throttle very hard. Then the rear wheel actually like fishtails, like woo, really slide wow, heng, I catch it but I don't know how I catch it as well. Like lucky one, just like instinctively, fuck lah.
Instinctively.
You know how to catch it one lah when it fishtail somehow. You'll be like, wow, I need to save my balls. Yeah, that's when, wow, really scary the feeling. Alright, yeah, Primero. Okay guys, I'll see you guys in the next vlog. Let Primero and Tim do their stuff, some minor maintenance. Let you guys see the bike once again. It's been quite a while since you all see my bike. So yeah, still as beautiful as ever. Alright, I'll see you guys in the next vlog. Ride safe, stay wacky. Whoa, 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 you hear that? Stay wacky.